Welcome to this lesson where we're going to look at how we substitute in algebraic equations. So substitution is where we replace variables, which are our x's, our y's, our a's, our b's, in algebraic expressions with values. So we're swapping out our x for 12, our b for 9 over 13, etc. And then we're finding out what the final value of the entire expression is. So we're going to begin with this example. Here we have the expression 2x plus y, and we're going to substitute x equals 2 and y equals 4. So we begin by writing out our equation as it's given to us. Now, whenever I substitute in, I put brackets in the place of my variables. And in the brackets I put their value. So our x became 2, so x here became 2, and our y is going to become 4. So we put a 2 down the bottom and a 4 in that bracket. And now we simply evaluate our equation, or finish our equation. So we have 4, because this is a little times there, plus 4, we get a final answer of 8. This expression is pretty much the same, however, we have a squared up here. We also have the same y value, but our x is now going to be a minus 2. So like last time, we write out our equation, then we put our brackets in, and we substitute our values in. So our x here is becoming minus 2, y is becoming 4. So put minus 2 and 4. Now we just solve again, so we get minus 4 plus 4 squared, which is 16, which is going to give us 12. So now we're going to look at how we would complete a table using a rule. And we're going to use substitution to do this. So here we have this rule here, y equals 2x plus 1. And we're going to complete this following table, which means filling in each of these boxes. So we begin first time, we have our x equals minus 1. So we substitute that into our equation. And we're going to get the following answer, minus 1. So when x equals minus 1, our y is going to equal minus 1, which is what we got down there. Now we do the same thing, but with our x equaling 0. This time, when x equals 0, our y equals 1. Finally, we're going to do it with x equaling 1. So your y equals 2 times 1 plus 1. So y is going to equal 3. So we've completed this table. And if your table had more values, you would just complete however many values that needed to be filled out.